We're at the Mohawk ramp in Buffalo. We've got this, oh, it's not. Look at the alarm.
Yeah.
That's
And
neat.
my camera just died. All right.
It's a Niagara elevator.
Send it down to B. This is gotta be unique.
Niagara elevator, that's new for me.
Same as Church Avenue.
Yep.
Can you press 3, please? Okay, I was going for it.
I'm sorry.
Door closed does not work. Let's listen to the motor. See if someone's getting in.
Nope.
That was bizarre. It just stopped.
You might park and the park just kind of screwed up. Let's listen.
Not very stellar. This place is kind of shady.
Yeah.
I just lost focus. Elevator emergency, call police.
I do like that.
The bell was right outside the elevator. A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more.
And you know what to do.
Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe. And light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.